Hey guys, this is Dr. Naina Eri and I just graduated. I completed my MBBS from AIMS Patna and this is effectively my last day here in the campus. So I decided to make this little vlog or video for you, to share what my campus looks like currently with all you guys, and to also like take in all the memories of my campus and just like take it with me in the form of this video. So if you want to see what the campus looks like right now, please watch the entire video. So this is our hostel, you guys. This is Shaman and this is Pallavi. Dr. Shaman and Dr. Pallavi. Sorry, the title is very important. 5.5 years are too long to not be saying doctor against our names every time we fucking take our names. And this is outside. This is basically an exclusive scoop into... These guys are making fun of me because I'm trying to like pretend to be someone I'm not. Yes, and I'm not that sophisticated. So this is like, yeah, of course with us, with them. So this is an exclusive scoop into AIMS Patna girls hostels. Because if you are a girl, maybe, well, you can have an entry here, but if you are a guy, this is probably the only time you're going to see this. So behold. So guys, look at this banyan tree. People tree. Oh my god. And this is infamously known as the love tree. And I don't know, because it used to be like a couple's hangout spot probably once upon a time before all these gates were made. This whole area was accessible to everyone, but now it's just a girls' zone. And yeah, the fun fact is that this spot, this exact location is shown on Google Maps. Excuse me, as Love Tree AIMS Patna. So this is actually a real spot, just so you know. This is where we take walks in anxious times. This is Rajpath 2.0. This is just outside the hostel. It's a pretty place. There is no doubt about that. Can you guys see that shop right there? Yeah, that used to be a milk shop, and post-COVID it just stopped, and I don't know if it'll ever open again. So if you're gonna come to this campus, be ready to go till the gate for like even your bare essential needs. Andar kuch nahi hai campus ke. And this is the way to our administration. The first building that you see. Oh, sorry, before that, this is your cricket ground. Freshly mowed. And yeah, that's basically your cricket ground. And here, this place is sometimes used as a football ground. You can see the goal right there. But yeah, that's basically what we have for sports. So this guy here is 101. You can guess why. And he doesn't care. So guys, tell me something. What is your one favorite memory of this campus that comes to your mind immediately when I ask you this question?
Oh god. I think my entry here in this college on the CFD.
Oh, da da da.
Yes.
The full-on Kabir Singh entry. Shaman Singh, Kabir Singh.
Yes.
Yes.
And I danced with everyone
Despite not knowing anybody. Don't give a shit.
Yes.
I've never given a shit. And what about you, Pallavi? Dr. Pallavi?
I think the best memory would be the strike that we all participated in
Second year?
2016.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. That was pretty cool too.
And all the late night walks that we took together.
We never took late night walks.
We did.
No. Late night is 12, 1.
So
2.
we took it once or twice.
Okay, maybe that is her favorite memory. You guys, we can't agree on anything.
करते थे हम लोग.
वो late night नहीं था बहन.
शाम को चलते थे, evening walks.
Evening walk.
Evening walks, yes.
अब 9 बजे तो नाइट होता है.
But it's not late night. You are not that day.
These are boys' hostels, guys. These used to be girls' hostels once upon a time. And the first hostel you see right there, I used to live there for a while when we first came in. But now we can't. It's boys' hostel, and the last hostel is basically PG for PGs and SRs. Yep. Our friend is here again.
This is 102.
Oh, this is 102. Oh, I'm so sorry.
You can recognize by this.
Heart.
Oh, so 102 is lovelier. Now we are heading towards the administration lane. That's what I call it. I don't know. It's not really named anything. And the building that you see here is the nursing college. So this is the nursing college. तो साइड में जाते हैं. So this, guys, is the MBBS building, or the main building, basically our admin building. We have all our classes here, all the offices here, and most of the administrative work also happens here.
And I wish that I could put it in, 'cause time moves on.
And there's a hell lot of memories in here also.
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you.
You guys, you've been here in this building more than me. So, not because I like, essentially I'm like there in my room. And you are the ones who...
No, even my attendance was short. Like,
No, not like that, but like you
Yeah,
you
I
used to
have
come to the
been there
library
twice.
and
yes.
yeah.
I was
So
the
what is
library
your
kid.
favorite admin building memory?
Library.
What in the library? What did you do?
Pallo, Arun, Vishnu.
Oh, so you guys
The
should...
library mates.
You guys used to do all the bakchodi there,
Yes, all the Bakchodi.
right? And when was that?
First year, second year. Second year. First year, second year.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes.
Oh my god, I miss those days, like really. This is administration. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. This is the auditorium. It took a while to get completed, but now finally it is. And you can see all the security guards there. So if you're thinking to try to sneak in the campus, I don't think that's gonna happen. It is heavily secured, thankfully. And we just got past the admin building, and now I'll be showing you all the hospital buildings and OPD. Hi 102. What is your favorite memory of the campus? She froze. So this basically sums up Dr. Shaman's life here in AIIMS Patna. She and her dogs. It's an unbreakable bond. Do you have anything to say about it, Shaman?
No.
As expected. So this road is the road that leads to our first gate, which is the entry gate. This building right here is called the Ayush building. I don't think anything really happens here anymore, but when the hospital started, almost all the departments were just a room in this building. So it probably has a historical importance now, not any real importance anymore. है ना?
हाँ, true.
So this is the Ayush building from the side that we were talking about. These are basically just apartments for like, this is not part of our campus, this is different. But there's no real barricading as such, so yeah. This building right here, this is the OPD building. This is the back view. I'll show you the front view in a couple of minutes. And this is the Ayush building from the front. I think a few radiology things happen here still. I think Doppler, ultrasonography and x-rays still take place in this building. But rest, I don't think anything else really happens here. Physiotherapy, yeah. The physiotherapy department and the PMR department are in this building. This is the OPD building from the back. And that right there is the IPD building. You guys, this whole path that we are following, I have taken an evening walk on it for years now, and those used to be like my favorite time of the day, favorite hours of the day, when I used to like walk all by myself. But I left it a couple of I think a while ago now, because I just didn't get the time to do it. But for the whole second year and majority of the third year, I used to walk here a lot. It's getting a little dark, so it might be a little hard to see. But I'm trying my best to give the best view possible. So please bear with me here. Those two just left me because they're bored as fuck. Sorry for swearing. So this is our OPD building. And this is how it looks from the front. That's the basement right there. That's the OPD building. And usually the signs are lit right there, you can see, but for some reason they are not lit today. Usually the signs are lit red color. That's our pharmacy. And besides the OPD building is the IPD building. The ground floor is basically radio diagnostics, and rest is like wards of different departments. See that building right there is the trauma and emergency building, and we have the ICUs on the top. I think on the fourth floor. On first, second, and third floors we have ICUs for different departments. I think एक ICU ऊपर जो फोर्थ वाला है वो कौन सा है? ICU HDU. फिर सेकंड और थर्ड फ्लोर पे क्या है? ICU ही है ना, मतलब अंडर एनेस्थीसिया डिपार्टमेंट. हाँ, so basically all those floors are ICUs. हाँ, one of them is trauma ICU, and the other one is where like critical patients from other wards and wards of other departments are shifted if they need. We have a different medicine ICU. The medicine patients, if they have extra patients, then they shift it to this one. Otherwise, the patients under the medicine department are kept separately in MICU, which is in this one, not in the trauma building. I'd say that I'd miss that smell, but I don't think I can get away from it for my entire life. So please दोबारा से बोलो.
I want to work here.
Awesome.
Pediatric surgery.
कहाँ?
Pediatric surgery.
Oh, but I'm not cut out for surgery. That I got pretty early on in my MBBS years, and I'm sticking to medicine. Hopefully, touch wood. And the hospital area we just passed is the ground floor of the IPD building. So the little buildings that you see here are the sterilization building, the medical superintendent office, a mortuary, bank, and the post office, in that order. MS office. This one is the mortuary. And just FYI, no creepy stories happening. So sadly we don't have any corpse stories to tell you here. This is our bank.
I know few stories, but of course I won't share.
Why not?
No.
Don't you want to make this video interesting?
No.
Great. the blood bank, and the fire station. We've almost completed a full circle of the campus. And we are back. Remember the love tree? Still there. These paintings, these are done by the students. And for fest is called Kaizen. And during those times, the students have literally painted all of this. So I'll give you a better view, but it's dark.